There's a lot of interest about the pickleball serve. Should I hit it hard? Should I hit it deep? What about a backhand? Today, we're going to talk about the best pickleball serve. Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson. Would it surprise you to know that the most popular videos on YouTube are about the serve? Yes, the serve. By the way, if you're new here, welcome. We try to serve up the best content, pardon the pun, for people who are over 50 and enjoy the game of pickleball. If you don't want to miss another video, make sure that you click the subscribe and then the bell. I am constantly asked, how do I hit my serve harder? How do I hit my serve deeper? How do I spin my serve? And while all those serves are important, if we only have one serve, no matter how good it is, eventually our opponents are going to adjust to it. I think that a good serve forces a weak return. By changing and varying your serve, I think you have a better chance of that. I remember hearing Steve Dawson say that he never gave the same serve 2 times in a row to any player. My first thought was, wow, that would be confusing. I'm not sure that I could keep track of that. But he's got a really good point. If you vary your serve, your opponents aren't going to be as ready for it, and that will make your third shot easier. I'm going to share with you a few different serves that I like to throw into the mix and when and why I use them. Most people want to hit a power serve, and it's important to have a deep, powerful serve in your bag of tricks. However, since that's the only serve that most people use, players are oftentimes accustomed to returning it, and it doesn't always get you the result that you're looking for. A shorter, softer, easier shot to hit for your third shot. I like to throw a lob serve in against powerful players because it's soft and it requires them to generate their own power. This can be very effective if there's something behind the court like a fence or a tennis net. The downside is that if you hit this serve short, or if the player has the ability to add a lot of spin, it can make your third shot more difficult. Topspin is created when the paddle moves up the back of the ball. When this ball bounces, the spin makes it hop towards the player. If they don't see the spin, they're too close to the ball, and it often creates a weak return. A short, soft serve can be effective if the player isn't very mobile or is standing deep behind the baseline. It makes them hit it on the run, and if you can add some angle to pull them off the court, they're out of position for the next shot. The downside is because they're running forward, it helps them to get established at the non-volley zone. Another serve I use is the backhand. The natural motion of a legal backhand serve creates a side spin that isn't common seen on a serve. Develop some variety in your serve and confuse your opponents by changing it up. If you got value from this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your pickleball playing friends, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.